go. Let's join in and sing this song. We belong to this school. Good morning, Queensbridge School.
Good morning, Osnat.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're really, really well. And have we got some nice birthdays for you today? I think we have. Good morning, Max and Sam.
Good morning.
Do you know whose birthday it would have been today if they had still been alive?
No.
Not sure. Let's have a little drum roll for a really, really wonderful singer. It would have been Judy Garland's birthday.
I know her.
You do? What do you know about Judy Garland, Sam?
She sings the rainbow.
She sings a song about a rainbow. She was a movie star. Oh yes, such energetic dancing means that the hair goes in the face. Let's just get it out of the way, thank you. A movie star, she was in fact a child movie star. Do you know the most famous film that she was in?
The Wizard of Oz.
The Wizard of Oz. And who did she play?
Alice. Dorothy.
Alice.
Oh, it's her favourite movie.
I see the parallels with Alice in Wonderland, but no, her name was Dorothy. And she had some friends, a tin man, a lion, and a scarecrow. It was a very extraordinary story, actually based on a book. And that song, that beautiful song, what song is that, please?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Oh,
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
I mean, hijack. No, it was not Follow the Yellow Brick Road, although that was from The Wizard of Oz.
I know, it just randomly came into my head.
It's
the rainbow song.
It's the rainbow song. Now, I know we sang it when we were singing for Kermit the Frog, but also and for the NHS, absolutely. It's a really beautiful song, so we might just sing a little bit of it to get ourselves in the mood. Breathe in, everyone, and breathe out. And can we sing somewhere? Can you tell me what kind of jump that is in music?
Octave.
It's an octave jump, 8 notes. Try it one more time. Somewhere. Brilliant. If you know this, just sing along, because I'm sure I don't need to teach it to you again. Ready? Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Oh, it's so pretty. Do you know any other Judy Garland songs?
The trolley song.
The trolley song, well done, Max.
Bang, 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 da, da, da.
It's one of my favourite Judy Garland songs. It goes.
It was in Sing.
It was not in Sing. It was in Meet Me in St Louis, and it's all about this chance meeting on a trolley car, which is a bit like a tram, American tram. So happy.
We don't really have them in London.
We do not have them in London, no.
There are some out of London.
They are. And we do have one more special birthday that happened yesterday, everyone. Can I have another drum roll, please? Because I'm very excited about this artist. It would have been Jackie Wilson's birthday. Oh, my goodness.
What?
Oh, we only have the best birthdays in the Queensbridge Singing Assembly, and this is such a joyful birthday to have.
Can you just take out my hair for me?
Oh, not again. We're having some hair
you can just
malfunction.
take it out and
Or
then
just take it out.
yeah.
Let it all out, Max. Bit of a tangle. Excellent.
Okay,
I think that's
free.
okay. Her hair is free. I mean, sometimes you just got to let your hair shake out, but just make sure it's not over your face.
Okay, now for
Back to the point. Who was Jackie Wilson, you guys?
a singer.
He was a singer,
Yeah.
amazing performer.
Didn't he do some dancing?
He was a really fantastic dancer and had such a reputation for being, and rightly so, for being an amazing showman. Would we like to do a little extra warm-up, Jackie Wilson style? Now, how about this? Try this.
Yeah.
There's one of his songs that shows a trademark of his voice, and it goes like this. I get the sweetest feeling. Try it. Sweetest feeling. Sweetest feeling. Try it.
Sweetest feeling.
Wow, his voice went really, really high. So you know when we were singing 1 octave, Jackie Wilson had a vocal range of about 4 octaves.
That's 4 times 8.
That's 4 times 8. That's a lot of singing. You can do the maths if you like. And one of my favourite Jackie
32.
Wilson songs. Thank you
With
very
maths.
much. One of my favourite Jackie Wilson songs is a song called Higher and Higher. I really, really love it.
I know the song, I know the
Do
song.
you know this song? I know
Me
this song.
too.
I'd like to share it with you. One line at a time. My turn, your turn.
And after this, you can listen to it.
Oh, you definitely can. And it goes like this. Your love lifted me higher. Your turn. Your love lifted me higher. Nice. Than I've ever been lifted before. Than I've ever been lifted before. Brilliant. So keep it up. Quench my desire. Your turn. So keep it up.
Quench my desire.
Nice. And I'll be at your side forevermore. And I'll be at your side forevermore. Let's put it all together. Your love lifted me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So keep it up, quench my desire, and be at your side forevermore. Brilliant, I love it. And then the chorus has got lots of different parts and backing. So let's see if we can sing a simple version of the leads, Jackie Wilson's part, and it goes like this. You know your love, your
Your love
turn.
keeps lifting me.
Melody Max, are you ready to do BVs? You really,
Yeah.
really are. I know. Let's just try and sing Jackie's part. You know your love keeps on lifting. Try it. You know your love keeps on lifting. Lifting me higher and higher. Try it again. Lifting me higher and higher. I really like that. Get ready for some trademark octaves coming up. I said your love, keep on. Your turn. I said your love keeps on. Lifting me higher and higher. I really love this chorus. Would you like to do some of the backing?
Can I
you
do the
guys?
backing bit?
Yes.
Melody Max knows the backing bit, so if we just sing the main bit and then she can sing the backing bit, I think that would be quite good.
What a
Because
cool
it might get a bit
idea.
confusing if the rest of the Queensbridge school has to learn all of the bits.
But Queensbridge School love singing all of the bits. So
Well,
don't
then
what
I
you
know
mean,
that
Sam.
we're on a time limit here.
So let's try this. Singing Sam and I are going to sing the chorus that we know, and Melody Max is just going to freestyle the backing vocals.
She's very good at that.
She's really good at that. Let's try it. You know your love keeps on lifting, lifting me higher and higher. I said your love keeps on lifting me higher and higher. Oh, wow, that was quite something. Should we put it all together from the beginning? Higher and higher. Your love keeps lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before.
So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore.
You know your love keeps on lifting me, lifting me higher and higher. I said your love keeps on lifting me higher and higher. Oh, I love it. Wow,
Sorry, my
thank
voice
you.
broke.
That's okay. Sometimes your voice breaks, sometimes it doesn't. I think we should play out to some more Jackie Wilson. Are you ready,
Yeah.
Queensbridge School? This is going to be fun. It's called Reet Petites.
Has a bit of a rock and roll.
Rock and roll feel.
Look about,
Look about